All right, so the last video for distance, so I was hoping to go five, but if I need to, I'll add that one later on. So it should be one, two, three, four videos, three-digit subtraction, 717 minus 341. We teach you the American algorithm. Kid gets to this one, they have no problem here, but this is where they'll struggle. I just saw now it becomes a two-digit number. I can treat this as 71 minus 34 and so on. Because with the American algorithm, we can treat it however we want to. It's just an algorithm, um, somewhat based on place value. It's just terms of digit, digit, digit. More, I can think of this as distance between 2 points. So again, if you've seen the other videos, I'm going to say over here that I have zero, and just an outside quick view. 700. Let's see here. One, two, three, four, five. We'll call that six. Then we'll extend it out. Seven makes more sense. So this is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. But you're telling yourself, hey, well, we got 717. Yeah, it's like over here, right? 717. It's like you're over here. And then you can talk about where is 341. Well, halfway is what? 350. So 341 is right around here. Right? So here's 341. So how far apart is 341 from 717? Then you can have that discussion. Because that's what it is on a number line. The distance between the 2 points. I'm going to drive 717 miles. I already drove 341. How much further I got? I'm about a little less than halfway there. Um, we're almost halfway there. Those are really good discussions to have with a second grader or third grader to know how they're looking at real life implications of the math they're going to learn, not just this and that's it. Well, why do we need to know this? Well, there's a reason for it. So there's geometry, mathematics. There's a lot of geometry applications to subtraction that our kids need to know, especially when they go to high school. So we already know it's one, two, so like 300 plus maybe what the 17 plus another what 50 something. Right, so right around there, like 367, 370 ish. So we know that should be around the answer, right? They can hopefully kind of tell us that because they already know this is 300, the 17 this way, 50 something this way, about 370, maybe a little more, pushing 380, that kind of stuff. So let's see what the actual answer is. So with the big numbers, where they're all different, not with like 700 only, the moves work like this. We're gonna move towards each other, ones to nearest 10, nearest 100, and then to each other. So this is 341. This is 717, right? We know we are 9 away from 350. We are 7 away, right, from 710. So these are my ones right here that I'm going to have to add. I am 50 away from 400. I am 10 away from 700. Well, there's my 60 for sure, right? So now I have 60. I'll put that over here. Plus 9 plus 7 is 16. And then plus my hundreds here. How far is 400 from 700? 300 away. So there it is. Now my hardest part here is just to add all this up, right? So hopefully our kids can add this up. 376, right? So my estimate of 370 was pretty close. If your student would have said 380, guess what? That's still pretty close, right? And that's what we're doing here. We're giving ourselves a shot at this just by thinking distance. You need to rewind the video a little bit, see what the moves I did. But you can't get a wrong answer using that number line and thinking of everything as distance between 2 points. All right. Hope this video will help you guys out.